Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable cast to device in Windows 10 so you can prevent unwanted casting and secure your computer. Step 1. Press Windows plus S on your keyboard to open the search bar. Type Windows Firewall and select Windows Defender Firewall from the results, which manages your app and network permissions. Step 2. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This section lets you control which programs can communicate over your network. Step 3. Scroll down the list until you find cast functionality. This feature controls the ability to send media from your PC to other devices. Step 4. Uncheck the boxes for both private and public networks next to cast functionality. This disables the cast feature and stops your PC from connecting to other devices automatically. Step 5. Click OK to save your changes. Your cast to device feature is now disabled, keeping your system more secure and under your control. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.